So student, today I'll give you a worksheet. Okay, a worksheet related to your chapter, related to a chapter. I hope you will enjoy that. A different worksheet. This is called worksheet, a different type of worksheet with extra question. As we have completed all syllabus of Essay 1 exam, so this is revision time. So revision class, I can give you anything. So these are not outside question. Same thing that is in your book, but a different worksheet. Hope you will enjoy that. Okay. So take out your science copy. I'm showing you a worksheet. You have to do that in your science copy. You have to do that in your science copy. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen. Can you see this? Grade 2 and the worksheet. Here you have to write your name and our food. In the essay 1 syllabus, there is a chapter healthy food like this. So do this. Do this worksheet. So for science, you sometime I'll give you this type of extra worksheet. Okay. Don't ask me, is this page from my book? No, this page is not from your book. This is called worksheet. Extra worksheet. Okay. As much as you practice this type of worksheet, you came to know lots of things. So first, how you have to do? You have to copy all the question. You have to write all these question in your science copy and then solve it. And question number 3, no need to write the question, just identify the food item. Just like you can put number. So this is 3. So here you can put number, that 3A, B, C, D. Like this you can do. I'm doing this for you. So this is picture number A. This is B. This is C. And this one is D. So now you can easily put this number in your copy and you can write the name of this picture. Okay? Do like this. I'll not tell you the answer. You have to do this by your own. Fill in the blank with the correct word. Give 2 examples of each. Bodybuilding food. You know, write any 2 name of bodybuilding food. Food we get from plant. You have to write the name of any 2 food that we get from plants, and food we get from animal, any 2 food. And question number 3 is very easy. You just have to identify this picture. Understand? You just have to identify these 4 pictures. And yes, Rahat.
Question and answer
What?
that you should put in the kitchen. Ma'am, question and answer totally good.
Yes, you have to write in your science copy.
Okay, ma'am.
So don't ask me the same question, student. You have to solve this worksheet in your science copy. So if you are having same question, don't repeat it. You just have to solve this exercise.
So write like this. First of all,
Swachotwa, yes.
ma'am, this is what page?
It is a worksheet related to the chapter food. It is an extra worksheet. No need to open your book. This page is not from your book. Just solve it.
Oh, look. Okay, ma'am.
Student, no need to open your book. This is an extra worksheet. Repeatedly, I'm telling you, this is called worksheet related to the chapter food. So GK type questions are there, and all questions are known to you very well. Fatiha, yes.
ম্যাম কোন চ্যাপ্টারটা এটা?
Repeatedly, Fatiha, I'm telling you. Extra worksheet. This is extra worksheet. The chapter, this is extra worksheet. This page is not from your book. It is extra worksheet.
ম্যাম
Oh my god, you are asking me same question repeatedly. Why? এটা বই থেকে ওপেন করতে হবে না, বইতে এই পেজটা নেই। Don't force me to speak in Bengali. This is not possible for me to use Bengali in the class. Fatiha, try to understand. এটা একটা ওয়ার্কশিট, এই পেজটা বইতে নেই। সায়েন্সে এরকম এক্সট্রা অনেক ওয়ার্কশিট থাকে এক্সট্রা, যেগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করলে তোমাদের অনেক নলেজটা বাড়বে। এই সমস্ত জিনিস তোমরা অলরেডি জানো। হেলদি ফুড চ্যাপ্টারটায় আছে, বডি বিল্ডিং ফুড, ফুড উই গেট ফ্রম অ্যানিমাল, ফুড উই গেট ফ্রম প্ল্যান্ট। সো শুধু বইটাই প্র্যাকটিস করব, বইয়ের ওই কটা প্রশ্নই পড়বো, সেটা কেন? এক্সট্রা ওয়ার্কশিট সবই বইতেই আছে। ইনফরমেশন, অল ইনফরমেশন আর দেয়ার ইন ইউর বুক। Yes, Atrey.
ম্যাম I write only question or both?
Write only answer.
Okay ma'am.
Afroz Ali, this is your job. Parents are not allowed to do this, their student job. Do it by yourself. You can write only answer. Give proper number. Exercise. Question number 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C. Like this, you can do this. Okay. Solve it by yourself. And no need to copy the question. Ayman, Karan, Zubair Khan and Samraj Oisi. Again and again you are keeping your video up. What is your problem? I can understand. And each and every class I need to say that keep on the camera, keep on your camera. If you do it again, definitely today I will mark you absent. At 11:25, after 10 minutes, I'll check your copy. Okay, so if you have completed before 11:25, you are requested to check your copy. No need to raise your hand repeatedly, but if you are having any question, if you are having any problem, then you can raise your hand. Otherwise, after completed your writing, you are requested to check your copy. Sharp 11:25, I will start checking your copy. Rahat, do in your science copy. Don't waste class timing. Do fast. For question number 3, no need to draw these items. No need to draw this item. You just have to identify the food item. Okay. And if you can't solve any one of them, skip that one. Definitely will tell you. Ifra. Yes. Yes, say.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ifra.
ma'am, I am completed.
Okay, wait. Don't raise your hand. If you have completed, check your copy. After 10 minutes, I will start to check the copies. Okay. So no need to raise your hand.
Will be bodybuilding, food.
Yes, Ankush. Completed. Yes, Ankush. Yes, Ankush. Unmute your device.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very good. Then wait for some time. So fill in the blank with the correct word. We need food to live and grow. Always wash your hand before and after eating food. This is a good eating habit, we know. Energy giving or protective food makes our bones and muscles strong. Who want to say? Let me check those who have completed first from him. Acha. Who want to say? Atri, unmute your device.
Ma'am, energy giving food.
You are not sure. Energy giving or protective food make our bones and muscles strong. Acha. Who want to say? Let me check. Orko Priya, unmute your device. Energy giving or protective food makes our bones and muscles strong. Wait, Ifra. Yes, Ifra, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Energy,
Food.
energy giving or protective food makes our bones and muscles strong.
Ma'am, energy giving food.
Acha, Ifra is saying energy giving food. Orko Priya is saying protective food. Acha. Let me check Onkush. Onkush, tell me. Unmute your device, Ankush. Tell me energy giving or protective food makes our bones and muscles strong.
Protective food.
Protective food. Acha. Zubair Khan want to say also. Yes, Zubair Khan.
Ma'am, energy giving food.
Energy giving food. Acha. Lots of. Acha. Zinia want to say. Zinia, tell me.
Protective food, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm getting two different answers. I'm getting two different answers. Next one to say. Genia. Genia, let me check. Genia, unmute your device.
Protective food, ma'am.
Protective. I know. There is a confusion between energy giving and protective food, because in the book, it is written that bodybuilding food gives us energy. A bodybuilding food help us to make our bones and muscles strong. And that is why you are confused with energy giving food and protective food. That ma'am, bodybuilding food is not there. So what will be the answer? So in that case, energy giving food will be the answer. Why? Because as we know that protective food mean fruits, vegetable, those keep us healthy and as well as keep us away from any type of disease. So in that case, energy giving food, the food give us energy. Those food also help us to make our bones and muscles strong. So in this case, you can choose energy giving food. Okay, understand? In this case, you can choose energy giving food. Okay. Acha. In the exam, definitely there will be option bodybuilding food and choose that one. Okay. Acha. Give 2 example of each. So anything you can write bodybuilding food as per your choice. Any 2 food you can write, any 2 type of food. Acha. Food we get from plants. Any food you can write that we get from plants. Anything. And food we get from plant also. Any food you can write. So I'm not writing the answer because any 2 food you can write as you wish. Achha, last one. It's mean identify the following food. Now you are thinking, ma'am, what will be the answer? As I think this is butter. This is butter. As
Butter.
according to me, it is butter. Okay. This is butter. Achha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is cheese.
Cheese. Huh? It can be cheese. Something like that. Cheese or butter. Anything you can write. Something like that. Anything you can write. Acha. Cheese. You want to write? It is cheese. Okay. Anything you can write. Cheese or butter. Acha. Then the next one you can easily write. Jubair Khan. Look at your copy and check the answer. Next one is fish. Fish. So butter, identify the following food and write their name and circle those food which we get from plant and tick the food that we get from animal. So butter or cheese, whatever it is that we get from animal. Yes, we get it from animal. So I can write, I can tick it. I will tick that it. Fish. We'll circle it. Acha. Question number C. These are kidney beans. These are kidney beans or rajma. Kidney beans or rajma. So we get it from plants. And D. D is also peas. And peas, you know, we get from plant. So we will put a tick on that. Okay. So A. Butter or cheese. Butter or cheese we get from animal because we get milk from animal, and from milk, this are milk product. We made milk, we make butter or cheese from milk. Achha. B, it is a fish. It is fish animal. So we will circle it. And C, kidney beans or rajma, that we call also rajma. C take amra rajma. We also call it rajma or kidney beans. And D, peas. Peas is very easy. Peas, korai shuti, we get it from plant. Okay, there is a mistake because as per instruction it is written, circle those food which we get from plant and tick the food that we get from animal. Yes, so again I have to change everything. Yes. So I have to change everything. So circle those food we get from plans. Let me circle this one. And let me circle this one. Food we get from animal. Tick and tick. Understand? Completed? Okay, now show me your copy, all of you, one by one. Jinia, Sariq, or
Ma'am,
yes?
this banana spelling.
P-E-A-S. Zubair Khan, sorry. Ankush, Shamridho. Show me your copy. Shamridho. Not completed? Okay, but time over. Time over. We'll show you next day. Very good, Orko Priya. Acha, Shamridho, if you have completed your writing, do it in your home and then send me. Okay. Acha, Atrei, Afroz, Fatiha, Orindram. Acha, very good. Shwachatua, Ritosri. Very good, Atrei. Very nice. Ritosri. Okay. Acha. Sakibuddin, Almasuddin, Farhan, Rabiul, Srijita. Samraj. Okay. Very good. I will upload, definitely I will upload a recorded video. Those who not yet completed, complete it at your home and then send me in chat. Almasuddin, okay, very good. Acha, Aryan, Spondon, Jennifer, Shougato, show me your copy. I told you that no need to copy the answer. I told you only to write the answer, and you got sufficient time. Spondon, okay. Alia, Aimon, Atrei, Ifra. Okay, very good. Aria, Yasmin, Arya, Naomi. Okay. Chalo. Very good, all of you. Okay, so bye-bye, Tata. See you on next day. Rahat, okay, very good. First time you did the classwork very nicely. Very good. Shwachotwa, Sadiq, Samriddha, okay, very good. Okay, so this type of worksheet I'll give you the coming days. Okay, chalo. These are not from your book but related to the chapter. Okay, acha, chalo. Bye bye, tata.
Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, bye bye.